Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Kira coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, November 10th, 2017. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 18 degrees. Later today, we are expecting a high of 31 and a low of 25, with possible snow showers. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Haley, Emily, Ion, Sean.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, the Blackhawks lost to the Philadelphia Flyers by a score of 3-1. The Bulls will play the Indiana Pacers tonight at 7 o'clock. And the Bears will play the Green Bay Packers on Sunday at noon. There are no clubs meeting today. Today's announcements are: tonight is Hoover Movie Night. Doors open at 6 o'clock and tickets are $2. Hot dogs, snacks, and refreshments will be available for purchase. Playing in the library is Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And playing in the gym is Boss Baby. Now a message from Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
Thank you, Kira. Good morning, Hoover staff and students. Happy Friday, and it is a little cold out there today, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Good morning, Mrs. Ankrum. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. What's new?
Nothing. What's new with you?
Nothing.
Great.
Nothing's new at all, huh?
No.
All right. Before we jump into our Herbie's Heroes, I do have one quick thing. For the yearbook cover contest, this yearbook cover entry was submitted, but there's no name on it. So if this looks like the cover you turned in, please come to the office after announcements. All right. Perfect, because you did a great job. All right. Today is National Vanilla Cupcake Day. Did you know that, guys?
Yeah.
You knew that? You like vanilla cupcakes?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Are you celebrating at home today?
No.
No. You should. You should go home and bake some cupcakes.
Vanilla.
Vanilla ones, too. I like vanilla. All right. You like what?
I was already going to eat cake in the weekend.
Oh, you're going to eat cake on the weekends? Yeah, that's what weekends are for, right? Eating cake?
Yeah, great plans.
Cool. That's
good.
That's awesome. Let's see. We have our Herbie's Heroes. So, Mrs. Ankrum, do you want to...
Yeah, so we'll start if you introduce yourself and then tell us why you're a Herbie hero.
My name is Atisha, and I was chosen for Herbie's Hero because I was respectful, responsible, and safe.
All right.
And always tried my best.
Always trying your best, and I have a note from your teacher. It says, always responsible in the classroom. He gives 100% effort on his schoolwork and completes his tasks with quality. Great job.
Good job.
Next up.
I'm Ethan from Muscadel 107. I was been chosen because I have been responsible by getting all of my work done, participating and being a good role model for others.
That's what I have here, the same note. Congratulations.
So, good role model, participating, getting all your work done? Good job.
Great. Next up.
I am Krithik. I'm Herbie's hero because I'm respectful and responsible. I follow directions the first time, and I always wear a smile.
Awesome. And it says you're positive and you're a role model, too. Good job. 3 great examples of Herbie's Heroes. Awesome. All right, guys. Thank you very much. If you want to step off, it's also National Forget-Me-Not Day, by the way. So if you are into Forget-Me-Nots, the flower,
We
you
can
can
pick
go.
those up.
I don't think you can go out and pick any, but find them at a florist.
Maybe.
All right. It is time for Herbie High Fives. I'll let you go first.
Okay. There we go. All right. First up. Yep, we have Callie in 205. And we have Logan in 116. Next we have Alex in 117. Mix these up. We have Jasmine in 205. Hold 2 more. And then we have Mandini in 106. And last but not least, oh, and that's a zero waste lunch ticket. Michelle in 212.
It all works.
It works. There's a name, there's a room number.
All right, I have Ishan in 105. My fingers are still cold from outside. I can't feel these.
Yeah, it was chilly outside.
Azra in 213. Let's see. Eliza in 105. Twice, Eliza. Good job.
Woohoo.
We have Logan in 101. Graziana in 105. And Jack in 112. I'm going to do a couple more. Selena in 115. Let's see. Umama in 202. I'm going to do one more. I'm just going to keep going.
I don't believe you with the one more.
I'm still trying to catch up from you over the
3
last couple
more.
weeks.
I know. I've been doing like 15 at a time.
Sophia in 105. She's kind of stingy with hers today. I don't know what's going on.
It's just how I feel today.
All right. Well,
It's just a feel. Stingy. Stingy Friday.
all right.
It
let's-
is Friday, which means it's time for our school song.
Yeah. Come on, guys. Want to sing?
Up with Hoover, they love us wherever we go. Up with Hoover, it's the greatest school we know. We work together, we learn together, we're tops in every way. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray. We know that our school is the best school. Hoover, Hoover, hooray, hooray.
All right. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.
Thank you, Mr. Schmelzer and Mrs. Ankrum.
You're welcome, Kira.
Friday's fact is, today is Sesame Street Day. Sesame Street Day was created to celebrate the tremendous influence that this television program has had in our lives. It is recognized by people from all over the world. You can choose to celebrate by watching some episodes on TV, or go to the toy store and pick out your favorite Muppet. Either way, Sesame Street is a true celebration of childhood. That's all for today. This week's broadcast has been brought to you by the Confused Kangaroos production team. Have a fun Dip Friday.